Welcome again. Consider you have some data which contains informations in row wise or column wise. You wanted to prepare column chart. If you have small data which contains just few lines of data in Excel, for that it's easy. And for one occurrence, it's also easy. But if you have to prepare it for entire projects or for entire day, same task, you might feel the task is monotonous, where you'll get frustrated by doing repetitive actions on the regular basis. And definitely, you should need some automation in place. That's where this solutions will help you to prepare entire automations for you. So if you wanted to learn everything in detail, be available from start to end of this video. I will try to cover each and every topic in detail. To begin with this, here we have to create one sequence. Within the sequence, I just dragged and dropped use process scope, Excel process scope. Under that, I'm going to use Excel file. Within this Excel file, we have to attach test data. So test1.xls is my file name, which contains department-wise data of college curriculum. So which all students or number of students have enrolled for each of the departments will attach it here. I checked save changes, create it does not exist, and under that I'm going to use insert chart. This is my data. I wanted to add entire data. So here we'll add the locations. So chart category is column, chart type is clustered column, and data ranges Excel.sheets. Sheet 2 ranges B1 to B9. Post that, I wanted to add this chart into sheet 3, and here I have created insert chart as a variable. So whenever we'll run the solutions, it will prepare column chart for me and add into the sheet 3. So whenever you'll open the Excel sheet 3 data, you will have chart available within your Excel file. Now, this is the column chart which is generated for my requirement. If you want, we can even add staked column. So this staked column data will be added whenever you will have the Excel data added. Now we have two data pointers or two data value which contains the column chart. There's no major differences between bar chart and column chart. So here you have to decide which charts you want. Now you can see because we have selected the different options, we have all those data or charts generated based on the selections. Post this, if you want, even we can update chart informations. Like if you want to update the title, then also we can edit. And variable I'm going to use as inserted chart, where either we can use horizontal or vertical. So as of now, I wanted to update as access title, and that's reason new activity got updated. So modifications, whichever modifications you will select, accordingly it starts get added. Title, whatever titles you want, you can specify it, and here we have added total streams. You can see whenever we'll run the code, the streams informations will be updated. So whenever we'll save the and run the code, you will have updated data generated, and we can see it in the charts itself. If you wanted to get chart informations, we can add get chart activities, and here we can also hide legends. If we want, we can just add this modifications. So whichever actions you will select it from drop down, we will get an options, and accordingly actions will be done by the robot, and you will have data or chart generated without legends. See this? So this is a manual process which we are doing it, but we can automate the entire process itself. The way we are preparing the charts, you can do it. This time I wanted to get chart informations, so we'll add column chart, and save as a picture. We can save this as a picture and you can post it at any point of time and share with your team member. So that's how we can create charts with the help of data using Excel data as well as UiPath applications. This is a very quick process which we can achieve it for our bigger projects. That's all for today. Now, question for you is, if you have millions of record, which visualization dashboards you would like to prepare? Add your answer in comments so that it will be helpful for other viewer as well. And if you wanted to learn more about RPA, UiPath, Power Automate, feel free to refer my entire playlist. And if you have not yet subscribed, feel free to hit subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.